Hello to all those who are watching this video right now. I hope and pray you are doing great with your loved ones. From the core of my heart, I welcome you to Gurrutechsolutions. Writing a research paper, thesis, or academic article can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to referencing and citing sources correctly. Hours of reading, note-taking, and formatting can make you feel like you're drowning in a sea of information. But what if there was a way to make referencing and citations a breeze? What if you could do it all in just one click? So why waste your time and energy on referencing and citations, when latest AI does it in single click? Yes, in today's video we will learn about one best AI which can perform this automatically. Don't skip the video, since this AI will astonish you. So let's begin the video. First of all, you have to open your web browser. In my case, I am opening Google Chrome. Right after opening, in search bar type MyBib. Right after typing, press enter. This will lead you to various links, but you have to click the very first link. By clicking the first link, this will take you to the official page of this latest AI. The interface is looking like this. As I am scrolling down, you can see it. Now we will explore the various features of this latest AI tool. I would urge to don't skip the video. If you will skip, you might miss the essential tips and tricks which I am going to share in this video. As we know that there are various styles which can be used for referencing and in-text citation. By clicking here, you can choose your referencing style. You can choose your style of referencing, like there are various options from APA 6, APA 7, or Chicago and many more, but in my case I am using APA 7, therefore I will choose this. Once you select it, then click Save to proceed further. Let's proceed further. Now we will add citations. To do so, click a citation. By clicking, this window will appear. You can see various options. Using this latest AI, you can reference numerous sources like website, article, videos, and many more. See here, various other sources can also be cited. For this time I am choosing Article General, since I am creating a reference list of an articles. Once you selected your source, here we have 3 options to create a reference automatically. Now we will discuss them one by one. The very first option gives an opportunity for auto-referencing. To do so, you just have to copy the title of your research article or the DOI number of the article which you want to create a reference. The second option is about creating reference manually. It means that you just have to fill the required information one by one. These include author's name, year of publication, article journal name, page number, and many more. And the last option gives an opportunity to drag the downloaded PDF of the research article. It means that you just have to drag and drop here. By doing so, it will create referencing automatically. Before we proceed further, I would urge you to don't skip the video, because in this video I have shared a very useful short trick as well. Watch till the end, you will enjoy it, it's my guarantee. Suppose this is the article which we want to include in our reference list, so I will copy the title of the article and I will paste here. Then I will click search. By doing so, it will search and find the article. After finding the article, you will check and confirm the title. Once you are sure, click and this will create auto-reference. It means that it will include all relevant information which are required in referencing. For instance, author's name, year of publication, and many more. You don't have to put them all manually. This AI reduces your research load. After this, click Save. And now you can see this reference has been added here. In this way you can create your reference list. Now click Download Reference. By clicking, you will get this interface. It gives you an opportunity to save your reference list in various format, or you can just copy and paste from here. The other format include Word document. You can also save this in Google Drive, and similarly various other formats are given, but for right now I am downloading it as a Word document, so I will click here. By clicking, you will see it will automatically download. So here you go. Your reference list is ready, but Don't skip the video now. I will share the trick with you. Using this trick you can do all these steps in single click by just adding the extension, so stay tuned, don't skip the video please, you are not done yet. Now again open your Google Chrome, type MyBib extension. By typing so you will get a link to download the Chrome extension. You can see that more than 10 million users are using this extension. This will make your life easier, so don't skip the video, we will discuss further processes ahead. Click Add to Chrome. By clicking it will start downloading and this extension will automatically added to your Google Chrome. Now we will learn how to use this extension to generate autoreferences and citations in much better and easier way. Let's suppose I am searching for an article on a Google. For instance, my interest is pertaining to mathematics and faith. I want to search for a newspaper article and let's suppose that newspaper down news of Pakistan. And here is the complete article, you read it and the found relevant to your study. And now you want a cite or you want to add this in your reference list. For this you can use this extension. Now what you have to do is you just have to click the extension at the right top corner. By clicking here, you will get in an opportunity to choose the format you want to reference this source. So I am using APA 7, I will change my reference style from here. Once you changed, it will automatically generate the reference for you. See, the first one is the reference which you can copy from here. Besides, the second one is in-text citation which you can also be copied from here. But we will not copy from here, however, we will click Save to Project. By clicking this will automatically save in the official page which we have used at very beginning of this video. See, it has been added here. You can also see the first reference 9 here which we used at the beginning of this video. Now let's explore further, don't skip the video, stay tuned till last. Now suppose I am looking for an article on Google Scholar, and my area of interest is mathematics anxiety. By searching here I will get various research articles. Let's suppose I am opening this one, and I found it relevant to my study. So now I can add this to my reference list by following the same procedure which I discussed earlier. So you just have to click the extension and it will automatically generate the reference as well as the in-text citation. Again we will click Save the Project, and it will automatically save in the official page of this AI tool. Here you go. See, the third reference has been also added here as we have already 2 references. In this way you can create your reference list one by one with the passage of time. Once you are done with all your references you can export, or you can download it using the same process by clicking Download Citation. After clicking it will give you an opportunity to save your references in various formats, so I am downloading this in Word document, so see, this will download. Here you go. These are the references which I have just created by using this latest AI. I hope you like this latest AI tool, since this is very useful when it comes to reduce the academic research burden pertaining to referencing and citation. I believe this video has given you an opportunity to explore this AI tool. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until we meet again, take care, bye.